Hey everyone, have you ever wanted a projector that is portable, compact and functional? Today we will be checking out the GammaBai HD video projector. It has many features including Wi-Fi connectivity amongst other connection options for you to mirror your screen. Let's check out what is inside the box. Inside the box, users will find one HD video projector, one instructional manual for users to refer to when setting the projector up. A remote control is included, along with a power cable to power up the device. A HDMI cable is provided too, along with an AV cable, all packed nicely in the product packaging. On first impressions, the GammaBai projector looks really modern, sleek and elegant in white. It fits into most settings like the living room. At the back of the projector, users will find multiple ports for video connectivity, like a USB port, headphone jack, AV and HDMI port, all for connecting your video sources to it for video output. There are air vents on the projector to keep the device cool when operating. I love the handle design where I can carry it around with ease. At the top of the projector, you will find button controls, where you can control the projector with it, soft and nimble keys. Use the scroll wheel near the lens of the projector to adjust the focal length. At the side, users will find a power slot and a speaker grill for you to play movies with good audio output. A protective lens is provided. Remove it before use. Check out the crystal clear lens. Looks so good. Users can easily connect the projector to power with the power cable, plug and play. Next, connect the HDMI cable. If you plan to mirror your computer to the screen, it's one of many connectivity modes available on this projector. Use the remote control to control the projector. Now, power it up. The LED indicating light ring will light up. Press the power button to power it up. On first use, adjust the focal length with the scroll wheel on top of the lens to configure it to the ideal setting until it is clear. Set the language of the device upon setup, along with the Wi-Fi configuration settings. Wi-Fi is available so you can connect your smartphone wirelessly to the projector with Wi-Fi casting available. You can customize the settings further in the setting page on the projector, such as keystone and digital zoom settings. Connect via the Miracast option. It connects easily without issues. I can project images on my Android phone easily and wirelessly. Overall, the GammaBai HD video projector works amazingly great. It is an affordable choice for projectors if you want a projector for your bedroom or living room. This works great. Highly portable and fully functional. If you want to find out more about the GammaBai HD video projector, you can check out the link in description for more details. Thank you for watching.